What's up, Kurlz crew, and welcome again to my channel. If you are new here, I am Kurlz. Welcome. Well, today, y'all, I have to show you, okay? Today, we are going to attack this mess, okay? Listen, I filmed a braid out for y'all. I'm trying to be more healthy. So you'll see me drink a lot more water. Let me get some of that out the way. You go get some water too. Oh, fix your posture. Go get some water. Drink it. It's gonna be good for you. So yeah, trying to be more healthy. I did my hair, trying to do a nice cute little braid out. So throughout my workouts, I can just, not worry about my hair. Y'all, it's been like 93 degrees. I don't even know how this separated from a braid, how all of this is like this, but whatever, it is what it is. We are gonna fix this. We're gonna fix this. We're gonna fix it. It was detangled before I plaited it. It's actually clean, but whatever. I filmed trying to get a bomb braid out for you guys, and it's just not gonna happen. It's just not gonna happen. I just want to show you guys my hair, and then before I take out any more, I'm actually gonna show you guys what I do first. But I want you guys to see why it won't be a successful braid out. So look at this. Some of it's cute. Look at that. That's cute. But not all of it. You can't, not going to be successful. So if you guys would like to see me transform this into something a lot more fabulous, stay tuned.
Little Karen with a classy curl, a curly afro when I cut my hair. 19 when I got a relaxer. Oh man, what a disaster. 23 when I cut it all off. 24 when I got on natural.
Take some of my Rebel Drops Rosewater, y'all. I love this stuff. I'm actually going to be running out soon, so I'm gonna need to re-up on this. But I'm just going to drip some water all throughout my hair, just to make it a little more manageable when I take my braids out, because it's a mess. Alright, here we go. It doesn't take much for my hair to get wet. I'm going to tell you guys about porosity, and we are going to talk about that stuff very soon, but not today. Look out for it. So if you don't, subscribe so you can look out for these super cool videos coming at you. Anyway, let's just keep going. And what's next? Oh, what's next? My tea tree and jojoba oil, y'all. Look, this is my hair and scalp treatment. It is almost gone. I need to re-up on this too. But I'm telling you, this stuff is amazing for my scalp, especially in the summer. I gotta beat it out. I'm gonna get it though. Probably should have set this in some warm water, but here we go. It's coming. So I'm gonna get this on here and just massage that into the outer parts of my scalp here. And again, this is really good for that summer itchy scalp. Last year, y'all, I had been complaining a lot about it, and I recently did one of those mud masks. Actually, it wasn't a mud mask. It's an Aztec clay mask. So you guys are going to see that coming out soon. And yeah, so you'll see my color is a little less bright red. So I don't know if anybody noticed that, but it is. But I'll explain that in that video. So look out for that to be coming. So yeah, my scalp is nice and moisturized to my liking. So now I'm just going to take out these braids, and I'm not going to talk through that. I'm going to speed that up, because who wants to be here forever watching me talk, right? I could listen to me talk forever. Apparently that driver didn't want to hear me talk forever. They sped up. No, seriously, I'm not going to talk through this whole thing. So I'm gonna take these out and I'll see you guys in a second. I'm gonna speed things up, okay? I do not consider this to be a successful braid out, and here are the few reasons why. Some people may stop at this and leave it like that. I'm not comfortable leaving this as a braid out, even though by the end of the day this is what it's going to look like. I like all of them to start defined like this, like these waves that you have here, and it's just uneven. It's all over my head. You can definitely tell where the water from me sweating took over through my hair, even with me having to tie it up into a ponytail to try and avoid it. So man, it just completely sweated out. So I am not going to leave it like this. I'm going to style it. So to style it, I am going to be using Cantu's new avocado line. I'm going to use the Cantu Avocado Hydrating Repair leave-in, as well as the avocado hydrating curling cream, and I'm gonna and I'm gonna use this for styling, okay? And yeah, so let's get started on that. So I am just going to section a part of my hair here. So once you clip the section in the front, you are going to separate the back into two sections. So one up in the front and one down. I like to separate right about where I'm going to have my hair separated with my fingers, just to make it a little bit easier to part. And then I'm going to put that section towards the front of my head while the back is back here, and then I'm just going to clean up that line. We are going to take our leave-in conditioner first and just all over your hands and apply it to that back section of hair. Right over that with the curling cream. This is new for me too, because I usually always just use Cantu, but I am switching to ORS. This is the olive oil. It is used for wavy, curly, kinky edges, and it's supposed to smooth them out, so it should hopefully make these ponytails look amazing. So I will say that this is only like my third time using this. There's not as much in here as the other ones, but it smells pretty good. So put some of that around the outer parts of my ponytail. And then grab yourself a brush and just smooth that out. It doesn't have to be completely smooth. You don't have to go for a full sleek look if you don't want. You can actually do like I started and just put this in your ponytail with your fingers. Just grab your hair tie and secure it. I'm going to start working. Now, in order for me to work here, I need to pull this a little tighter and then pin it about right here, because I need to get those edges around it a little sleeker away from this so that I can style it. So I'm just gonna put some edge control around it. Get it nice and sleek. And then I'm also going to put some right at the front here. Okay. And then just go over with your brush and try and keep your part clean if you can. It doesn't have to be precise. It doesn't even have to be perfect at all, but I like mine to be neat. So now that that is pushed out of the way, I need to fix this one a little bit. Where's my comb? Where's my comb? Oh, where did my comb go? Let's get another clip. And let's fix this, because that's not it. That's not it. That's not it. It won't hurt. It's like my baby hair, y'all, and it does not want to have my part straight. Go away. Y'all, this part might have to just be whatever, you know? But this is where the edge control comes in a little bit, and it helps you out. Y'all, these are baby hairs. I'm not even going to pay that any mind. So, I am not going to comb the entire section. I'm just going to comb this right here to smooth it out. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to start twisting from the front back. So it's literally just like a little roll. So fold your hair over and start twisting back. Over and twist back. All the way until you have this complete section twisted. Okay. And then just keep twisting that in your finger to secure it. And then just take a clip, hold that in place. And we are just going to work this area to a ponytail and then add that into it. So let's do that now. These into buns. I'm going to have my top bun here. So for the one in the back, I'm going to roll that upwards. So I'm literally just going to take it in my hand. I'm going to roll the inside, and then I'm just going to roll this upwards. Okay. And this one, you are going to definitely pin. I mean, optional for you. Maybe you don't like hairpins. Maybe they hurt your scalp. Whatever the situation is. Now, I'm not heavy on edges at all, but I'm just going to make them neat. I don't like all those swoopy things all over my head, y'all. My mom did them when I was little, and it's cute when you're a kid. Some adults like it, it's for you. It's just not for me. It's just not for me. I don't really like it. Alright, so. But I like that one. I like that one right there, and I like this one right here. And then I always take my fingers and just pull my baby hairs out right there, because they're almost bald. Oop, I did not want to swoop that in there. See, y'all? No! Start over. Brush it up, okay, and then just pull it down with your face. Okay, guys, the next part is totally optional, but I am going to be using some of these little clips and gems and just adding them into the front. Okay guys, so what do you think? You like it? Think you'll try it? Let me know down in the comments. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye.